Welcome everyone to today's video on my channel. Today, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the out-of-video memory error with Banisher Ghost of New Ed in-game on your Windows computer. Let's start by restarting your computer. This step is crucial. After the restart, attempt to launch the game. If the issue persists, proceed to run the game as an administrator from the installation folder. For Steam users, right-click the game, select Manage, then Browse Local Files. Navigate to the Binaries, Win64 folder and run the games.exe file. For Epic Games users, locate the game folder in Program Files, then follow the same steps. If the game still doesn't launch, try running it as an administrator again. If needed, adjust compatibility settings to Windows 8 or 7. If the issue persists, disable full-screen optimizations in the game properties. For Epic Games users, create a shortcut for the game.exe file, adding Epic Portal at the end, then launch the game using this shortcut. If you have SMT or hyperthreading in BIOS, consider disabling it temporarily while playing. Verify the game files on Steam or Epic Games Launcher to ensure no corrupted files. Perform a clean installation of your graphics driver from the manufacturer's website. For laptop users with dual graphics cards, ensure the game runs on the dedicated card. Install the Visual C++ files provided by Microsoft. Allow the game.exe file through your antivirus and Windows security settings. Experiment with launch options like DX11 or DX12 to troubleshoot. If all else fails, consider deleting or renaming the save game files. Update your Windows to the latest version. If the game launches but struggles, try lowering graphics settings or switching to windowed mode. Disconnect unnecessary external devices and disable overlays and overclocking applications. Perform a clean boot to eliminate conflicting background services. Increase virtual memory allocation on your system. Update your system BIOS if available. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the game, ensuring it's installed on a suitable drive. I hope one of these solutions resolves your issue. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.